Welcome to Montecito, a unique environment where children thrive. Our commitment to a whole child approach ensures your child's social and emotional well-being through experiential learning and play. With a ratio of 1 to 4 or better, your child receives individualized attention for optimal development in our nurturing environment. Discover the flexibility of year-round enrollment. Your child can join our community at any time. Schedule a tour today and witness firsthand the unique, enriching atmosphere of our campus. Ready to give your child the best start at Montecito? Contact us today and embark on a journey of academic, social, and emotional growth.